Ona ibile motsotso o bohlokwa jwalo ka ha naha ya Botswana e matlafatsa maqhama le Afrika Borwa. Mopresidente Ramaphosa o re maikemisetso a bona jwalo ka baahisani a hlakile e leng ho fedisa bofuma, tlhokeho ya mosebetsi le tlhokeho ya ntshetsopele.
This binational commission therefore affords us an opportunity to further deepen our cooperation in many areas. And we cooperate and have agreements in almost 30 areas, but the cooperation includes economic cooperation, infrastructure development, energy production, mining, defense, health, transport, migration issues, and information and communication technologies. We therefore need to consolidate the work done within the existing areas of cooperation.
Mopresidente Mokgweetsi Masisi wa Botswana o bontshitse ngongorego ke ho ata ha diketso tsa bonokwane dinaheng tsena tse pedi mo a ipileditseng hore ho be le tshebedisano ya makala a lwantshang bonokwane.
One area of concern is surge in incidents of crime between our sister countries, particularly in relation to those of cash, in transit hastes, armed robberies, and transnational organized crime, including human trafficking, poaching, cybercrime, contraband committed by nationals of our countries.
Masisi o bile a lebisa matshidiso ho mahlatsipa le diphofu tsa dikgohola tsa KwaZulu-Natal.
I must commend the resilience the people of KwaZulu-Natal have shown as they start to rebuild their lives. I must also commend you and your government for the swift response to the situation. I am confident that KwaZulu-Natal will be built up and will be running in no time.
Ha botswa ka taba ya mopresidente wa mehleng Ian Khama ya qoswang ka ho ba le dithunya tse seng molaong le dinyewe tse ding yeo ha jwale a ntseng a le naheng ena wa rabetse tjena.
We only discussed it to the extent of him informing me that charges have been preferred against the former president here in South Africa, and former President Khama is here on a visit, so we are not perceived as harboring a person who is either a fugitive or whatever, and our relations between South Africa and Botswana are so warm, so good and so positive